One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. G-body, baby. What I got here for you today is an 83 Monte Carlo. And I know I've been doing lots of crypto videos and all that, and I'm going to tell you again, go down to the link below and get 2 free shares of stock on WEBULL. But this one's all about a car, and that's a nice little car. I did a walk around to this earlier and kind of asking what to do, and we ended up just putting a wash on it, polish it up a little bit, spit shine the tires, and that's it. We put I'd already put plugs and wires and all that kind of stuff, so we did some tune-up, got all the gas out of it, got this thing running. It's been sitting. The car came with a death certificate, second owner, I believe, and really, really nice car. I need to look up the Carfax. Haven't done that, but that's that. I am just going to give you a quick walk around. I'm going to hopefully keep this in frame here now, and then we're going to go up the road, do a test drive, and in a different light I'll show you the interior. But in this light I want to show you what's wrong with the exterior, which ain't a whole lot enough to speak about. Just wore out. This is rough right here where it's kind of open to the elements. Needs to be sanded down and rubber bumper primered. Thin paint all over the hood. There's a ding and a chip there. Cracked windshield. I'm going to go down and show you any dings and dents down the other side. That's not factory, but it looks cool. Bumper's in good shape, actually. A little bit of damage there. All the rocker panels are here. This one here's dented up a little bit. Go down I'm going to show you down the sides this way. My shadow will be in it. All the original lines are wearing off. Ding, and this little gouge there. And this here, the laminate that's coming off of. But it's got it all there. It's kind of cool. I don't know if those are factory on the mud flaps. All this rocker panel's in good shape. It's the biggest gouge on the car, right there. Okay. All right, and a little bit of scuff there. And then the only corrosionary issue I found is right there. It's starting right there. Gink in that. No hubcaps. Wheel wells, great shape. Car's in great shape. I'm gonna go back down this way to where you can see that besides that, man, it's pretty much a stuff and squirt as far as the paint job goes. It's clean. And when I say it's clean as a running, driving project. I get people on here, oh, my car's way cleaner than that. I'm sure it is. You fixed it up. I'm not fixing this one up. I'm selling it. Tonneau top or Landau top or quarter top. I believe the car's a Landau. I don't know Dow. So, patina, nice and smooth, but patina. And not all rusted through anywhere or anything. The car looks good. It really does. Let's see if I got this little tripod on my camera. That ain't gonna work. It's clean. Get this thing off while I show this side. So the top, as you see, is gone. It does have the logos and everything. Cool tripod came with this new camera. It's a tripod selfie stick type thing. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm trying to get better quality of picture. Although I had a damn good camera, there's something in the lens. Kind of little dings and chips right here. All that kind of stuff. The paint's open to the elements right there. All the trim on the Landau or quarter top is there. Chrome around the windows looks good. Pot metal, whatever it is. Every one of these are here. The laminate's falling off. If the guy redid this thing, you'd probably want to replace it. He ran something down there, but it just scratched it. Didn't gouge it like the other side. So, as far as I know, on this car, we've inspected, we've looked. There ain't no body work. It's just original. Under the hood's in good shape. It's a clean car. It really is. Everything's here, and it's just a clean car. One thing about this one, that this is a 350 or a 305. And it says 5.7. That's because the car was a diesel car. So, diesel, I don't know if you would have to register. I don't even know if you have to smog a diesel or in your part of the country. Up here in Montana, we don't smog nothing. could just close this great. So it's in great shape. Well, it's a great project. It really is. I'm gonna get some last minute pictures here and I'll show you the interior. So I'm gonna get on the road. Oh, lens is busted out. I'm gonna get on the road and handle. Go for a test drive. Hope I've got enough fuel in here to do a test drive. Doors close very nicely. Heater and everything works. Belts squeak, and sometimes it takes a while to warm up. Tires have sat for years. I don't trust them. Should have showed you them, but I'll mention it. Cracks in the dash, there, 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 and there. But other than the cracks in the top part, the dash is in really good shape. Yeah, it's got really bad tires. I can feel them wobbling. And it runs, but it's got a little bit of something holding it back. You can let off the throttle a little bit, and it goes. It'll get up to speed and all. But I'm not going to take it up to speed, because I really think that the tires are not worthy of the road. So you know, for your all intents and purposes, it coughs and sputters a bit when it's cold. We didn't warm it up or nothing. It builds to power. It just ain't getting there real fast. You know, I've got a button here I can push. I hope that changed it. I hope I'll learn to use this camera, but it shifts. And it downshifts. There's something just holding it back a little bit. Could be a little bit of a clogged cat. Not 100%, like I say. Well, I'm just gonna go down the side road. Why would I go down the road? I can go down the side road. It's 4x4 G body, baby. That's all there is to say about it. Well, it's not a 4x4 G body, but you got a little bit more patina for you. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures of it right out here, and then show you under the hood. I'll show you the inside. Trunk's in good shape. Up here isn't all rusted out or nothing. It's got that steel still good. This on it. And you can pull part of it up. Looks pretty good. It is glued down. There has been rodents in here at some point. It was in the field. So, I need to... Did I just do that? Did I just lock them in there? No, I did not lock them in there. Thought I did. Okay, that's the trunk. Alright, the lighting changed, so I'm just going to walk around it again real quick and then show you the interior. So, common questions I get on cars like this. Will it make it to Florida? Man, are you kidding me? I don't even want to go farther than right up the road. I off-roaded to get back part of the way. So, basically, no, I wouldn't drive this car anywhere. I mean, look, I'll tell you, I gotta show you the tires right now. But they're newer tires. They sure look good. But they've sat for years. They got a flat spot. When was the last thing? This thing was last registered in 09. So, go figure. How old are the tires? They're at least 12 years old, I'll bet. 11 years old. And they sat for a long time. So, not what you want to drive cross country. Will it drive across country if I put tires on it? No! You gotta get this thing home and get hoses, and I did some more work done on this thing. Seats are in great condition. It's got like a wore thin a little bit there or something. Right on the edge. And headliner's in good shape. It's faded a bit, but a little bubble there. Back here, good shape. And it's even got these on both sides, not knocked off. I showed you the dash when we were driving. I'm gonna get my keys out where I don't forget them. Walk off with them, and I'm gonna see if that works. I know the windows work. That horn kind of works. So that's that. I'm going to show you the other side, and I am done. That is this car. For as bad as the front window looks, back window's pretty good. Package tray back there could use a replacement. And of course you can see the top's gone. Door panels and everything. This is, as far as interior, you need a dash cap. That's about all I can say about that. It needs a good cleaning. Doors closed, nice. And that's that. Well, thanks for watching. Wait, dropped my shoe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. It's a nice project for someone, and I don't know if I'll even get it on my website. I might just put it on Marketplace. It's not a very expensive car, and it's a great project for someone. And, not rusty, non-molested, old classics like this are getting rare. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Remember, check the description. Free stock on WEBULL. It's real.